So I have this product here from Moodie Accessories Hub, the Telesin's, smartphone magnetic neck holder for 285 Ghana cedis. Very, very affordable. And so as a content creator who usually review a lot of products, this is really going to be useful because, sometimes when I'm shooting my videos, so I basically have to be doing this and be turning it around. It's really not convenient. Okay, so let me go ahead and unbox it so you can see. Out of the box, this is what you have. Okay, it comes in very handy. The first thing that we see in the box is the neck holder itself. All right, and this is how it looks like. We'll be going in a bit, and I'll show you all the features and how it works and everything. Okay, then the next thing is, you have some wipes and all of that, and then you also have this thing to hold your phone. And the last thing that you get is the MagSafe. All right, so of course, if you have an Android phone and it doesn't have a MagSafe on it, it comes with this MagSafe that you can manually attach to your phone case or to the back of your phone, and basically it's going to work with this. And so for the way it works, you just have to open it this way. Okay, just open it this way, and it has this button here, okay, that you can just push, and once you push it, this comes off, and you can basically just wrap this around your neck and just snap it together like this, and you should be fine. Okay, once that is done, you pick up your phone and then you just slap it on it and you are good to go. And so with this, I can be able to shoot all my reviews. Okay, like let me pick the box again. Unboxing this product, for example, I wouldn't have to suffer by using, I have this, and so I can even use both hands, okay, to just unbox this product beautifully. All right, again, if your iPhone doesn't have the MagSafe, usually iPhones have MagSafes, all right, but if you have an Android and it doesn't have the MagSafe, it's very simple. You just have to tear the wipe wherever you want to stick it, and remove this thing, stick it there, and it's going to snap like so, okay, with the thing, and it's going to really get your phone stable. All right, don't worry about your phone falling. This thing is very strong, like I'm not even joking. You can get yours from Moodie Accessories Hub. I'm going to leave the number below in this video and also below in the comment section. Don't forget to mention my name while purchasing for some sweet discounts. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.